Hello, and welcome to this demo on Forcepoint's AP Web Cloud Application Discovery and Risk Exposure Visibility. In this demo, we'll focus on how AP Web Cloud Application Visibility aids in the discovery of cloud application usage, the exposure of risky cloud application usage, and the management of both sanctioned and unsanctioned cloud applications. Cloud applications have made it easier to do business and have increased collaboration and productivity among many other benefits. While the benefits are clear, the risk associated with such cloud services is not, and can often carry a high cost in the form of data breaches and regulatory compliance violations. And it's not just legitimate users who utilize cloud services that pose risk. Malware and malicious insiders often utilize sanctioned cloud apps to facilitate data exfiltration. The new AP Web Cloud Discovery and Visibility addresses challenges with cloud application adoption and shadow IT. During this demonstration, I'll show you how AP Web's Cloud App Discovery and Visibility makes it easy to find out which cloud applications are in use and which pose the highest risk. We start from the AP Web Status Dashboard. Then we navigate to the Reporting Applications menu. Here we can see the Cloud App Usage Report dashboard. AP Web Cloud App Discovery sheds light on the shadow IT blind spot by uncovering the cloud apps actively being used by employees. The reports break down which apps are being used and associated metrics such as how often an app is used, by whom, traffic volumes and trends, types of devices and clients being used, geolocation information, and risk rating, as well as the risk factors. Here we can see the list of the most used cloud apps and their respective risk level ratings. The risk level of a cloud application is determined using an analysis of the combination of risk factors for that cloud app. Risk factors reflect risks a cloud app may have when delivering its services. Examples of risk factors are authentication schemes used, how stored data can be shared, the usage of encryption to safeguard stored data, or adherence to regulatory compliance standards, such as HIPAA, SOX, and ISO. Now, let's take a look at the high-risk level app which has high usage. Let's select SendSpace and take a look at the details behind its high-risk rating. Here we can see that SendSpace is a cloud-based and authentication-free file-sharing app. An organization would be concerned as this cloud service offers no controls for IT to manage data going to or on the cloud servers. Regulatory compliance is also a critical issue with this app. An organization that stores credit card data may be concerned with non-compliance of PCI. A healthcare provider may be concerned with non-compliance of HIPAA and other personally identifiable information. In total, there are 7 regulatory non-compliance risk factors identified. Now that we've identified a high-risk cloud app, let's find out who's been using this app. Let's click on the app name. Now we can determine who's been using this app and how often. We can see that there are 8 users who've been utilizing this cloud application. We can scroll down to view the list of users and the associated metrics with this cloud app. The usage report can be exported to a CSV report. Now that we've identified the risks associated with this cloud app, managing access to this cloud service is easy with AP Web. Here we see Gregory attempting to access SendSpace unsuccessfully after having added it to an unsanctioned, user-defined category list. By adding the app to a blocking policy, it will prevent all access to it. And that concludes this brief introductory demonstration of Forcepoint's AP Web Cloud App Discovery and Visibility functionality.